Good morning, children. I hope you are safe and fine at home. Today's value is eat healthy and stay healthy. What is the value? Eat healthy and stay healthy. And today's topic we are going to learn is stay healthy. What we are going to learn? Stay healthy. What is meant by healthy? What is health? Is if we eat good food, we gain more energy, then it is called health. Okay? How we will gain health and energy? Is if we eat fruits and vegetables, it is healthy. And if we eat these kind of food, it is unhealthy to our body and it is unhealth. Okay? Now, shall we see an activity? Children, now what we are going to learn? Healthy food and junk food. What we are going to learn? Healthy food and junk food. What is meant by healthy food? Which gives us energy is healthy food. And what is junk food? Which cause damage to our body is junk food. And we should not eat junk food. Okay? What are the healthy food? Is this healthy? What is this? It is orange. Is this healthy? Yes. Orange is very healthy. And if we eat orange, it gives vitamin C and keep away from other disease. And it gives immunity to our body. Next I am going to take this. What is this? These are chips. It gives energy to our body. No, it causes heat to our body. Yes, these are junk food and we have to put in this basket. And we should not eat these junk foods. Next, what I am going to take? Vegetable. What vegetable is this? This is lady's finger. If we eat lady's finger, it gives energy to our body and activate our brain to think. And you will read well. We have to eat these vegetables. And this is healthy food. Next, I am going to take, what is this? Cookies. What is this? Cookies. And it causes energy to our body. No, it damages our body and damage our health. I am going to put this in junk food. We should not eat these kind of junk foods. Next, I am going to take banana. What is this? Banana. If we eat banana, we will be full of healthy and energetic throughout the day. It gives lot of energy to our body and we will glow. Okay, we have to eat for our health. I am going to keep this in healthy food. Next, I am going to take this. What is this? What is this? Munch. It is a chocolate. We should not eat chocolate. It causes damage to our teeth and damage to our stomach. We should not eat chocolates. It is a junk food. Next, I am going to take carrot. What is this? Carrot. This carrot is very health to our body. And if we eat carrot, we will gain vitamin A and we will become more bright. And it is very helpful to our body. Say once again, what is this? This is drumstick green leaf. It gives iron strength to our body. We should eat regularly these kind of green leaves. Okay? I am going to keep this in healthy food because it gives energy to our body. Next, what is this? There is a proverb. Eat apple a day, you don't want to visit a doctor. If we eat apple a day, we don't want to visit doctor because it gives more energy to our body and it gives health. Okay, we will be full of health. I am going to keep this in healthy food. Next, what I am going to take? What is this? Ice cream. We should eat ice cream. No, we should not eat ice cream. It gives bad health and this is junk food. We should not eat ice cream. It damages our teeth, damages our stomach and intestine. Okay, we should not eat ice creams. And this is also ice cream. We should not eat ice cream. Next, what is this? Yes, this is milk and this is carbonated drinks. What we have to drink which is health to our body? Yes, milk is very healthy and these carbonated drinks are ill health. Okay, we should not drink these kind of carbonated drinks. We should drink milk regularly and this is healthy. I am going to keep this in healthy basket and this is junk food. We will throw in junk food. Okay children, I hope you understand healthy food and junk food. We have to eat only healthy food and we should not eat junk food. It causes ill health. Okay, it causes damage to our body. And if we eat these healthy food, our life will be healthy and we will be strong. I hope you will eat only healthy foods. Children, now we are going to learn healthy food. What are these? These foods are healthy food. What is this? This boy is smiling. If we eat healthy foods, we will be smiling. What is this? Yes, this is orange. If we eat orange, what it causes? Yes, it gives energy and gives shining to our body. What is this? Yes, it is guava. If we eat guava, it gives strength to our teeth. Next, what is this? Beetroot. What is this? Beetroot. It purifies our blood level and increase our blood level and purify our blood. We have to eat orange, guava and beetroot. Then what is this? Yes, it is banana. If we eat banana, it gives energy to our body throughout the day and help for our digestion. What is this? Carrot. We all eat carrot. Yes, if we eat carrot, it gives glowing skin and it will be full of health. Next, what is this? Yes, it is lady's finger. If we eat lady's finger, it increases our memory level. Okay, we have to eat lady's finger regularly. Next, what is this? Watermelon. We all love watermelon and it gives water level to our body. It increases water level in our body. Next, what is this? Apple. What is this apple? If we eat apple, we will be full of health. We will be full of energy throughout the day. Next, what is this? Grapes. Bunch of grapes, isn't it? Yes, if we eat grapes, we will be full of health and we will be shiny, glowy and we will be full of health if we eat all these fruits and vegetables regularly. Okay, I hope you will eat all these fruits and vegetables regularly in your home. Now we are going to see junk foods which cause unhealth, which are unhealthy. Now we are going to learn junk foods which cause damage to our body. Okay, if we eat junk food, our life will be sad. See here, our life will be sad. Okay, first, you all like ice cream, but we should not eat ice cream because it causes damage to our teeth and damage to our stomach. If we eat ice cream, our stomach will be pain. Okay, we should not eat ice cream. Hereafter, you should not eat ice creams. Next, what is this? Cake. We will eat cake often, but we should not eat cake because it is made up of maida. We should not eat maida. Instead of maida cake, we should eat wheat cakes. Okay? Next, what is this? These are cool drinks, carbonated drinks. We should not drink these kind of carbonated drinks. We should drink only juices made up of fruits, fresh fruits and milk. Okay? We should not drink these kind of carbonated drinks like Pepsi, Coca-Cola and orange juice. Okay? We should eat and drink fruits and vegetables only. Next, what is this? Candy. We should not eat this kind of candy because it causes damage to our teeth and small insects will grow in our stomach. We should not eat these kind of candies. Next, what is this? Yes, these are fried chips. We should not eat the things that are fried in oil. It causes ill health to our body. Okay, if we want, we have to cook in our home and we have to eat. We should not buy in shop. Okay, I hope you will not eat these kind of junk foods and you will eat fruits and vegetables and you will be full of health. I hope you understand which are healthy food and which are junk foods. Okay, I hope you will eat only healthy food and you will not eat junk foods. Okay, thank you and complete the given PDF and send it in the WhatsApp group. Meet you in the next